So then comes question number 2. The question is that a lighted candle stands in front of a plane mirror M1, M2. So this is a plane mirror and the lighted candle is here, S. The question is, show by means of a ray diagram the formation of the image of the candle S as seen by the eye kept at A. That means the human eye is positioned somewhere here. This is the flame of the candle shown by a dot, and we have to draw the image. Now in the previous ray diagram, I have shown you the image formation of the extended object. This is an extended object. That means the size of the object is comparable to the size of the image. Okay. And in this particular question, you are asked to draw the image of a point object. The candle flame is denoted by a point. So let's see how we draw it. The method remains the same. We need at least 2 rays for drawing for getting the image. So let's see how it is done. So I have drawn the mirror M1, M2, okay, and place the candle here at S. So we'll draw 2 rays, and definitely the 2 rays will not meet in front of the mirror, but they will appear to meet somewhere at the back of the mirror. So let's see where. I'll take the similar ray, let's say a ray falling normally on the mirror, then the reflected ray will retrace its own path. Let me draw another ray because we need 2 reflected rays. So let's say it is striking the mirror at this particular point. So this is the this is the second incident ray, and now let me draw the reflected ray for this incident ray. All the rays follow the laws of reflection. Now the reflected rays, both the reflected rays, they will not meet in front of the mirror, but we will have to extend them backwards. So let us extend with dotted lines. So these 2 reflected rays, they appear to meet somewhere over here where we will get the image of the object. Okay. So this is how we get the image of a point object. Point to be noted, children, S and S dash are in the same straight line. The distance between the mirror and the object is same as the distance between the mirror and the image. So when the human eye is placed at A, it will perceive that the image is formed somewhere at S dash. So this is the first part of the question. There is one more part, and the question is, will the image of S be visible if the eye is kept at B? Now where is the eye B? B is far away from the mirror. So will it be able to see the image? Will it be able to see the image of the candle from position B? That means somewhere from here. Answer is definitely no. B will not be able to see the mirror, see the image of the candle S dash, because it is far beyond its perception. It will not be able to get the reflected rays at this particular point. So these are the 2 questions based on the nature of the image. This video is followed by an assignment which you will submit tomorrow by 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay, children, one thing, please be careful that I'll give you some ray diagrams to draw. So all the diagrams to be drawn neatly. Okay, you may use a pen or a pencil, but definitely you will use a scale and you will draw the diagram neatly. Thank you.